All right, y'all, we are here at the New York Auto Show 2026, and we're in the exotic car area, and we're going to check out this Porsche GT3 RS behind me that has been enhanced by Manthey. So let's check it out. Well, wait, you may ask, well, what is Manthey? What does that mean? Well, Manthey Racing is a company that is a motorsport engineering firm and racing team, and it's now 51% owned by Porsche, and they've been known to dominate Porsche GT racing and development of high-performance track kits for quite some time now. They're based near the Nürburgring, doing the factory Porsche Motorsport team in WEC and DTM. So they've got the credentials, and they're 51% owned by Porsche. And you can even have this kit installed at an authorized Porsche dealership. That's what's up. So they are credible, or at least credible in the eyes of Porsche. All right, so you've got a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. It's already the most extreme road legal Porsche ever made, with active aero, DRS, 4.0 liter flat six that revs to 9,000 RPM. But that's just not enough for you. You got to go to the next level. So through Porsche, you can get this Manthey kit. Manthey Racing didn't even touch the engine. Why? Because the 518 horsepower was deemed plenty. Instead, they focused on aerodynamics. So here are some of the numbers. At 177 miles an hour, this car produces over 2,200 pounds of downforce. And that's a 20% increase over the standard GT3 RS. If you look closely, you've got a larger front splitter with carbon supports, new dive planes, 6 fins on the roof to channel hot air away from the engine, and of course, check out the giant shark fin. They actually replaced the rear window with a carbon fiber panel, saving 25% in weight and adding a massive shark fin for high-speed stability. So I guess you're going so fast you don't even need to see who's behind you. And more aggressive wing in the back with more aggressive side plates. Oh, but I can't forget the more aggressive diffuser down here at the bottom to complete the whole aerodynamic package. To handle that massive downforce, the suspension had to change. Manthey developed a semi-active coilover system with spring rates that were increased by 30% in the front and 15% in the rear. It has real-time tuning, so on all 4 wheels, as well as 3 in the body, there are sensors to adjust dampers in milliseconds. And the wheels are functional, so those striking carbon aero discs aren't just for looks. They reduce drag and clean up airflow at triple-digit speeds. And you're going to do some triple-digit speeds in this monster. Okay, so does all of this work? Does it actually make a difference? Well, according to Porsche and Manthey, it does. At Silverstone, in independent testing, the Manthey car lapped Silverstone in 2 minutes and 11 seconds, nearly 2 seconds faster than the standard car. It's been recorded beating the 1,000 horsepower Ferrari SF90 around certain tracks because it can carry so much more speed through the corners. But there's a price. The kit itself starts at roughly $116,000, and that's before taxes or installation at one of the 45 certified Porsche centers in the US. You're essentially buying another 911 just to make your GT3 RS faster. Is it worth the price of a small house? For most, no. But for the person chasing that last tenth of a second at their local track, there is quite literally nothing else like it. If the GT3 RS with the Manthey kit is just way over the top for you, they also have on display a 992.2 911 GT3 Touring in this very much a gentleman spec in this silver with these gray wheels. The Touring, as you know, is the version of the GT3 that does not have a big rear wing on the back, so it's a little bit more subtle. Looks like a normal 911, but yet it has all the flares, and more importantly, it has the 6-cylinder, 500 horsepower, 9,000 RPM engine in the back of it here. So almost as much horsepower as the 3RS. This car, I think, is probably one of the best sports cars on the road. It looks amazing to me. And this one happens to have a manual transmission, which will get you more engagement and involvement in the drive. All right, so here's the question for you. You know, we've got a GT3 with a manual transmission, and across the way, a 3RS with a Manthey kit. What do you think would be more thrilling for you as a driver? The manual engagement or the track prowess of a Manthey kit? You can't go wrong with either one if you've got the budget. Let me know down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe driving, everybody.